Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ABM HD. So guys, if you're first time to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So without wasting any time, let's move on. So as you see in the video title or in the video thumbnail, today I'm going to teach you how to upload memes or create memes like a boss or like a pro. So basically you need a meme generator, a cool meme generator where you can edit and you get more options to add images or any sort of meme fonts and all. So today for creating a meme I have taken IMG Flip over here. It's a cool website where you can upload memes. So for example, I'm taking this picture. It's a Drake reaction picture over here. So first of all, what I'm going to do is click on add image, click on this inside current image, click on upload image, so I'm going to trim for a particular portion. Then what I'm going to do is click on add image. Just bring it over there as usual. Bring this image over here, make it small, then make it small over here, make it small, again you can make it small. See, you can make and you can attach some sort of pictures. For example, you can have your friends most thing which they hate, you can just keep their image over here. The most thing which they like, you can keep their image over here, and you can keep your friend's image instead of Drake's picture. It's not required necessary there should be Drake's picture, and just write your friend's name over here. You can keep your friend's pic over here, and if you have like done with it, just click on generate meme. Before creating a meme or before clicking the generate meme button, please make sure that you just click on this remove AMG Pro. If you want to, you can pay with card. Like if you pay with card, you can remove the watermark. Otherwise, if you want to pay money, you can pay money, and otherwise you have to buy it with the watermark. And what you have to do is that click on generate meme. See, so the credit will be given to them, and to click on download image. That's all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button, and if you are following me on Instagram, or let's say if you are there on Instagram, please make sure to follow my Instagram page. I'll be uploading some cool content in the Instagram page as IGTV, and in Facebook as well. I'll be uploading videos, so please follow my Instagram page if you're there on Instagram. So